Happy New Year's, guys. As we head into the year 2021, I want to take this time to recap on our accomplishments here at Wallstreet Jackboyz for the year 2020. I know it's been a challenging year, but we did make some progress. So kicking off the year, we started the year off with my Intro to Options Trading book for beginners. Okay, make sure you get your hands on it. Bingo. So the book is out and it's available for you guys for free. Shout out to my wife for helping me to edit it. She was like, hey, whatever happened to that book we did a year ago? I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and put that out. So we put that out this year for you guys. And then also, we started the year off with launching Wallstreet Jackboyz Trading Journal 3.0. For you old school guys, we still got 2.0 on the website, but we also got the brand new 3.0 Trading Journal. So make sure you take advantage of that. Also, we delivered a brand new website and social networking platform, the new Wallstreet Jackboyz. So it's kind of like Harvard meets, Harvard Business School meets Facebook. So you get this world-class education, and then you get to network with other like-minded individuals. So all of that is all together. Furthermore, we're able to demolish the old school, courses. I know some of you guys like the old school gang stuff, and that was great. But we're moving to new levels. So I got some new tools, new equipment, and we did it all over. So we rebuilt everything over. Night mode, you got focus mode. We never had quizzes before. Now you have quizzes to check your competency, to make sure you know what the hell you're talking about. Also badges, awards, and certifications. So all of that is built in. We talking about world-class educational experience that I wanted to deliver, and finally I was able to do so. So make sure you check out the Options Trading Masterclass. And then once you actually get the Options Trading Masterclass, if you already don't have it, just understand that the Time in the Markets class is a free bonus. Also, we made registration to the website free for everybody, okay? So before, there was no access to Wallstreet Jackboyz unless you were a premium member. Now, everybody has access to Wallstreet Jackboyz, and there's something for everyone. So lots of values that we're delivering for free on a daily basis. Also, we made registration very, very easy. We made a one-click registration for you guys. So if you got a Gmail or Facebook or social media accounts, just go to wallstreetjackboyz.com, go to register, you just click the button, bingo, your profile is created for you on our website. Then you have access to everything. So understand that is another value add. We also beefed up the security. So you guys know presentation is one thing. We got the best presentation, point blank. Nobody can deal with that, okay? But also security is very important to make sure that we're delivering safe, secure experience as well for you guys. And then last, we added the live 24/7 chat room. Everybody out there knows chat rooms are really important for trading groups. Most trading groups out there have traded chat rooms, and they normally charge $200 to $300 on a monthly basis. Because I own and control my whole process, I was able to deliver this live 24/7 chat room for you guys here at Wallstreet Jackboyz, totally free. I'm in there every day. Everybody else is in there every day. Just go to wallstreetjackboyz.com and get familiar with it, okay? Other than that, I think that we had a pretty solid 2020. So that's my highlight reel for you guys here at Wallstreet Jackboyz. Let's see what 2021 has to offer for Wallstreet Jackboyz. Peace.